Hello everyone, welcome back. Today, we're taking a look at a keycap replacement set for the MacBook Pro. Specifically, this set is designed for the 14-inch and 16.2-inch MacBook Pro models from 2021 and 2023, covering the M1 and M2 chip generations. Models A2442, A2485, A2779, and A2780. The keycaps are US layout, which is important to confirm before purchasing to ensure compatibility with your keyboard. They come in black, matching the standard MacBook Pro keyboard aesthetic. The set is from the brand Keycap, and it's designed as an integrated keyboard solution, meaning these are individual key replacements, not a full keyboard assembly. One of the most important things to note is that replacing these keycaps isn't a simple task. The product description explicitly states that it's not for someone without technical skills in disassembling and assembling laptops. This is crucial. If you're not comfortable working with delicate laptop components, or if you don't have experience with this type of repair, it's best to seek professional assistance. You could easily damage your keyboard or other internal components if you're not careful. Each keycap is tested before shipping, which is a good sign. It suggests a level of quality control, ensuring that you receive a working replacement. However, even with testing, the installation process itself can introduce issues if not done correctly. The seller also highlights their after-sales service and their commitment to sharing the latest information on laptop spare parts from the Chinese market. This could be valuable if you need further assistance or are looking for other replacement parts in the future. Essentially, this keycap replacement set offers a potential solution for damaged or missing keys on your 2021 to 2023 MacBook Pro. The single key included suggests this is for individual key replacement. If you have a missing or broken key and you possess the necessary technical skills, this could be a viable option. However, it's crucial to approach the installation with caution and be fully aware of the potential risks involved. If in doubt, always consult a professional.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.